Okay, so let's talk about group assignments a little bit because I don't know, like on my end, I feel like I've gone over this several times, but I'm still getting evidently there's some confusion somewhere in all my classes, face to face and online. I've got I'm on this committee and I'm giving a presentation about group assignments here in a couple of weeks. And like I told the rest of the committee, I was like, oh, I figured out this great way to do group assignments. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. And like the longer this semester goes on, the more I'm like, maybe I don't have that great of a method. Like it's worked great in the past, but I don't know what's going on this semester. So I just posted again, or not again, but I posted another announcement about group assignments. I also sent this out as an email. If you don't turn in the drafts on time to everyone, to me and the group, you don't get credit on the group assignment. So here, let me go into assignments. Like, let's talk specific numbers here. The box plot draft was due Sunday. It was due on the 3rd at 11:59. So everyone was supposed to have sent the rest of their group their draft by midnight, 11:59 Sunday night. If you didn't do that, then you get a 0 on this assignment. I don't care if you turn this into me. That's not good enough. The important part is sending it to the rest of your group. See, I just got out of a meeting. I keep having these meetings where people are saying, I'm tired of waiting around on my group. They're waiting until the last minute to do group assignments. And I keep saying, just give them a 0. You should not have to wait on your group members at all. That's the whole point of the draft, is you're not waiting on them. If they did not send you their draft by Sunday, done. I don't care if it's 5 after midnight, 0. This was due last night. So everybody sent you, ideally, their draft by Sunday night. So this is how I would handle it if I were in your shoes. Like, I'm not waiting up till midnight on Sunday to make sure. I would check my email or my phone or however you're sharing documents. I would check it Monday morning and see who all sent me stuff. Because, like, if I were in your shoes, I would be the one that was submitting the real assignment. So I would check Monday morning and say, okay, I never heard from Bob. Bob's getting a 0. That's done. Now I've got a couple of days because this isn't due until Wednesday. So on Monday morning, I would look at everybody's and say, look, hey, it looks like we all got the same answers. Here, I'm going to submit mine. Is everybody okay with that? And I would wait around till I hear back from everybody. If I don't hear back from somebody for a couple of days, 0. Like you don't just submit, you got to keep contributing. You got to be part of the conversation. So anybody that's not communicating, 0. Done. That's it. There's no waiting around Wednesday night waiting to hear back from people. Nobody should be put in that situation. So the draft is due. If you don't submit the draft on time, 0. And then, like, I haven't been enforcing this, but it literally says that in every group assignment. Here's how you do that. Like on every group assignment, write everybody's name and give them a score. And literally, like, the only scores you can give are a 10 or a 0. That's it. If they didn't help, give them a 0. On time. Like 5 minutes late is not on time. If they did, give them a 10. And like, it's perfectly fine to just say 10 for everybody. Like, if you don't feel like writing out everybody's name, just 10 for everybody. Perfectly fine. So, like, once somebody gets 2 or 3 zeros on their group assignments, they're going to get frustrated and they're going to start doing what they're supposed to do. And you should not have to deal with those people. I also said in the last email, I'm going to wait until after test 1 and we're going to do some reshuffling. And all those people that are not doing their drafts on time, all the people that are not contributing, I'm just going to squish them together into one group and they can deal with each other because the rest of us don't want to deal with them. So, like, all the same words I just said, I feel like I've said several times, but hopefully I'm clearing that up. I'm not trying to be dismissive. I'm just like, it literally says all this in words. If we look at the weekly overview page, which you're supposed to be reading, it literally says it right here. I think it even says it in the draft. Yeah.